Hello and welcome to the next tutorial on saving your shopping carts on aeexpress.com. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to save your shopping cart and how saving your carts can help you stay organized with both your quoted jobs and your jobs that are ready to purchase. Once you've found the products you're looking for, simply click on the shopping cart icon on the upper right of the website header. Once in your shopping cart, you can go ahead and check your pricing, your quantities, and check out using the orange checkout button, or in this case, we're going to save the cart for later. What we recommend is naming the cart the name of the job that you're currently quoting. Click Save Cart, and the cart will be saved and you will be brought to your Saved Shopping Carts page under your My Account space. This can also be accessed by accessing the My Account dropdown and choosing Save Shopping Carts. Here you can see we can now choose the shopping cart we had just saved. We're able to either delete the cart or reactivate the cart. Oftentimes, adjustments need to be made to a quote. So at this point, we can make those adjustments to the cart and resave the cart for later. Finally, when you're ready to win the job and place your order, simply activate the cart and proceed to checkout. And that's a quick overview on saving your carts on aeexpress.com.